English grammar, its and its. In this video, we're going to talk about these two terms, what they mean, how they're different, and how to use them. So, if you're interested in English grammar, keep watching. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. The first thing I need to teach you is the word apostrophe. This is an apostrophe. Its has an apostrophe. Its doesn't. We pronounce them the same, right? So why are they different? Well, let me tell you what they mean. Its with an apostrophe means either it is or it has. So some examples of this are, it's hot today. It is hot today. I can hear a police car. It's really loud. It is. The ground is dry here. It's been really hot this week. It has been really hot this week. So we use its with apostrophe. What about the other? Its with no apostrophe is what we use to show that something belongs to it. For example, my cat has a collar. Its collar is black and white. Whose collar? It's the cat's. The dog next door was barking. Its bark was really scary. Whose bark? The dog's bark. Its bark. Now let's try a quiz. Fill in the blank. Blank, a sunny day today. Right, it's with an apostrophe. Good job. Let's try another one. My computer isn't working right. Its keyboard is broken. It's no apostrophe. Whose keyboard? The computer's keyboard. Its keyboard. One more. Blank, been 9 months since I moved into this house. It's with apostrophe. Good job. It has been 9 months since I moved into this house. It's. I hope that this was helpful. And as always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and tell me what else you would like me to make a video about. See you!